Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook tikoy in an air fryer. First, ensure your tikoy is at room temperature for easier slicing. You will need 1 large egg, lightly beaten, and about 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar or sesame seeds for coating. Prepare your work surface with all ingredients ready to go for a smooth cooking experience. This simple preparation makes a huge difference for optimal results. Begin by slicing your room temperature tikoy into uniform pieces, approximately 1/2 inch thick. Consistency is key for even cooking. Next, gently dip each slice into your prepared egg wash, ensuring it is thoroughly coated. Following the egg dip, generously coat the tikoy pieces with either granulated sugar or sesame seeds, pressing lightly for adhesion. This double-layer coating provides a delightful texture and a hint of sweetness. Aim for evenness to prevent sticking and promote crispiness. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which creates the perfect environment for crisping. Carefully arrange your coated tikoy slices in a single layer within the air fryer basket, leaving a little space between each piece. Overcrowding will prevent proper air circulation, hindering the crispness. Cook these golden slices for an initial 10 minutes at this temperature. This first stage begins to cook the tikoy through, while developing that wonderful exterior. After the initial 10 minutes, carefully open the air fryer and use tongs to flip each tikoy slice over. This ensures even browning on both sides. Return the basket to the air fryer and cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You are looking for a lovely golden brown hue and a slightly puffed appearance. The tikoy should be wonderfully crispy on the outside and delightfully chewy in the center. Adjust the time as needed for your perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.